I don't know if this is focused on me or not, but we're in the middle of a river in El Yunque right now. And it's beautiful, even though it's raining. But we're gonna explore a little more. We didn't really do too much exploring yesterday in terms of like going out off the beaten path and doing our own thing. But today, that's what it's all about. What's going on?
Hello!
Day 3
Trace.
in Puerto Rico, and we're back at El Yunque Rainforest. Today we decided to kind of do our own thing and explore and adventure, and so far it's been great.
How is it?
Nice.
How deep was it?
Deep enough.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Don't hate.
So as we're walking through the trails here, Melissa's been taking photos of pretty much every kind of plant that she sees. And every new one she needs to document. I don't know why, and I don't know when this started, but apparently now she's
It's
apparently
now it's a thing.
it's a thing that she documents all the new different kinds of plants that she finds in the wilderness as of today. Plants and lizards. Look how close this thing is letting her get to it. It's like in the lens. Okay, there it goes. I knew it wouldn't be forever. Now he's showing off. So part of what we focused on mainly today was taking photos rather than just video. And if you're interested to see any of those photos, follow us on Instagram at photofam.yt. You can check them out, let us know what you think, and of course follow us.
And like us.
And like us. Welcome to Old San Juan, where there is nothing but pigeons.
A lot of pigeons.
Just kidding, there's more than pigeons. This is hilarious. Well, Melissa got pooped on already. Right in her hair. That's what happens when you give food to them. We stopped on one of the roads in Old San Juan for Melissa to take a photo that she's been wanting to take. She wants to get the cobblestone streets in focus and the buildings out of focus. So
I'm not having luck. I'm not having luck right now.
Just gonna try it again.
Hey, it looks like you down there with the blue shirt and the orange tie.
In order to really separate things in focus and out of focus, she's using aperture, which you might have learned in one of my previous videos. Watch out, Melissa, there's a car coming behind you. Just narrow. Right, so a wider aperture means shallower depth of field, which translates to bigger difference between what's in focus and out of focus.
Here's not the right spot. We gotta keep looking.
You heard the woman. It's not the right spot. We gotta keep going.
This cilantro is my garden's goal. It is so good. Best cilantro I've ever had.
We're obviously on our last day here. We walked around Old San Juan a little bit. We stopped to get something to eat. Next, we're gonna go to El Morro, which is a military fortress. Gonna walk around there, show you guys around, and then we're just gonna keep walking around and waste time until our flight, which is at
3 in the morning.
3 in the morning. So we got a lot of time to kill. It's currently 3:23 p.m. So we gotta find some stuff to do.
Yep.
I think she finally got it. You like it?
Yeah, I do. Just making sure I have enough, you know? I thought that could be cool. To hang on a
Nice.
wall or something.
This is Old San Juan. Cobblestone roads, narrow passages, very colorful buildings, beautiful women.
What?
That is El Morro. That is El Melissa.
El Melissa.
La Melissa.
La Melissa. El Morro.
We got away from the crowd a little bit, found a spot that's a little more secluded. So this is one of the little lookout spots. It's a cool photo.
We're having a really good time out here, I must say.
Gonna see some pretty cool stuff.
Definitely worth the $7. It was $7 per person. Definitely worth the money. A lot of cool things to see history-wise, and also a lot of really nice views.
Yeah, and it's nice to learn stuff as well. They have these little informational posts.
Did we even go to the second place yet? What's the second?
No, that's the one that we passed on Cristobal.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you get 24-hour access to 2 sites, and there's definitely plenty to see to fill up like a couple of hours, if not more.
Mm-hmm.
You might be wondering why. You probably aren't wondering at all. But I would like to make sure you know that the reason why I look so squinty in every video so far in Puerto Rico is because I have the most sensitive eyes probably ever, and any amount of light makes me use my eyebrows to kind of cover the intensity.
Your eyebrows?
Yeah, because it's like dark, you know, like it gives a shadow, so I feel like that's why I do that. But usually whenever I step out into any light, I cry immediately. But yet I don't cry when I cut onions. I have very sensitive eyes.
This is the worst part of El Morro. This ramp. To get up it, you have to walk so many stairs. That's really not that many, but it feels like a lot after you've been walking for a week nonstop.
Very steep.
Yeah, it's very steep.
Very steep.
So, we left El Morro. I took some drone footage, but I was told that I can't do it anymore, so I stopped.
Which is great because he told him as soon as he was finished.
And it started raining right after we left, so it was perfect timing. But yeah, we're walking through the streets of Old San Juan again. It's starting to get dark, so I think we're gonna cut it here. It's been a really great time. Can't wait to get these videos up for you guys to see. And
We're gonna eat our last Puerto Rican meal.
yep, can't wait to get home to see Charlotte too. We really miss her. It's been like 5 days, almost 6 days now.
We're about
So-
to get me a coffee mug. Every time I travel, I have to collect a coffee mug.
And some coffee if we can find some beans, grounds, or whatever. But yeah, that's it. So again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed to see what we're up to next. Drop us a like, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we will see you on the next video.
See ya!
Charlotte, what are you eating?
Blueberries.
What are they?
Blueberries here.
That's good.
Spam! 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 Spam!